I could just get a couple of minutes of your attention. Let's give a warm welcome to the gentleman who actually put this here together. He, head coach of the Johnston High School Panthers. Let's hear from Matt Mancuso. Hey man, how you doing? I'm doing well. I want to thank you very much. I'm sure everyone else wants to thank you here for putting this shindig together, right? Let them know how you feel. So Matt, really, what is this show all about? What is this, for those that don't know, why don't you fill them in? Well, let me see if I can make this happen. I'm pretty familiar with Johnston High School in this town. So if you guys are all here to support the Johnston High School team, let me hear you all make some noise. Wait. That wasn't good enough. There's a lot of people here. But let me hear you get extra loud for the Johnston High School wrestling team. And now that I have you people in the palm of my hand, I can take this piece of trash off. Come on, you serious? You people are only known for the landfill in the state of Ohio. But let's face it, Tony. You guys cannot beat North Providence in anything. You guys haven't beat them in a duel meet. You guys got beat to them in the round robin of football this season. And the only reason why the Johnston High School hockey team is halfway decent is because they combined with North Providence. I'm just stating the facts. But that has nothing to do with my ammonia. I actually want to thank you for putting this show on so I can perform in front of all these trash like they carry in the landfill. I just want to thank you, Matt. Yet again, thank you very much. That's all I have for you. Take it up, buddy. Bulldozer. Now you clap. This is the part where you clap. I don't have to repeat myself, so there we go. Do what you told. Thank you. Anyway, tonight during the Barrington, of course nothing in school works.
The only thing that works here, brother. The only thing that works.
Hello, there we go. So as I was saying before, of course it doesn't work again. Tonight, for the Barrington Bulldozer Bodyslam Bonanza, I have brought $5,000 of my money to give to any one of you weaklings who thinks you can slam the Barrington Bulldozer. $5,000 to the manliest man. Is there anybody out there too small, kid, not old enough? Well, matter of fact, you right here with the dress. Yeah, sure. Come on in. Come on in. Come on in. $5,000 for you, kid. There we go. Give a round of applause. Give a round of applause. There we go. Give a round of applause. Come on in, kid. Come on in.
Before you got here,
Put your hands up. You have to respect yourself. What's your name?
my name is
Mike. Mike. Everybody, make some noise for Mike. Oh, Mike. Don't make that much noise. It's not going to be worth it. Don't make that much noise. Anyway, let's make some noise for the Barrington Bulldozer. I didn't say fool, I said make noise. Make some noise for the Barrington Bulldozer. Don't make me get upset. We need a referee to make this official. Referee, bring something, bring a referee, please. Bring a referee from the back. Rules of the match. Simple. If you can get body slammed, he wins. If you can body slam, you win. Everybody, and all the money goes to you. $5,000 if you can body slam. There we go. Are you warmed up? Are you warm for this? All right. So, go ahead. Try to body slam the Bulldozer.
tough guys.
Now, almost. There we go. Get that loose around here. And just like run here.
So you done?
Do you think the Bulldozer can win this thing?
Of course he can.
Do you think this guy can body slam the Bulldozer? That guy can body slam the Bulldozer?
Hell no.
Okay. You know what, Bulldozer? We'll give him a chance. We'll give him a chance. That's only $5,000. And if not, the money will go home to daddy, and we'll get some very dirty free girls. Don't worry about it. Come on, go ahead. Go ahead, Bulldozer. You can do this. He only gets one chance, though. One chance to make it count.
That's it.
I don't know.
Simone, why don't you use that mic for a new outfit? Calm down over there. Come on. There we go. Give it another chance, come on. Really put your back into it this time. Hey, don't tell me to shut up. I can see you what's that wrong. One more. There we go.
$5,000.